olive oil every morning on an empty stomach. Olive oil contains a lot of macronutrients, fatty acids, and vitamins. It is a very valuable product for our health. Just take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach and 10 very effective things will happen to your body. Let's take a look on 10 compelling reasons to drink olive oil on empty stomach. Number 1. To get better skin, hair, nails, and bones. Olive oil is very beneficial for skin, nails, and hair. It softens, repairs, nourishes, moisturizes, and promotes nail and hair growth. We can use it like a hair or skin mask, but olive oil will be more helpful if it is taken internally. Number 2. To lose weight. Olive oil contains a huge amount of fatty acids. They are a healthier type of fat which can give you a feeling of fullness. It is the best replacement for butter. Number 3. Heals the colon. Olive oil protects cells from damage that leads to cancer. It also improves the patency of the colon and provides relief from constipation. Number 4. To protect the heart. There are 2 types of cholesterol, LDL, the bad kind, and HDL, the good kind. HDL dislodges LDL, so how can we increase the level of HDL in our body? One way is a Mediterranean diet, which includes grain, vegetables, fruits, and olive oil. Number 5. To control blood sugar level. Olive oil significantly lowers cholesterol and blood glucose level. It means that olive oil is very useful for diabetics and for our cardiovascular system. Number 6. To clean the liver. The liver performs a very important function for our body. It cleans all of our internal system. But sometimes we need to detox the liver itself, and you can do this with olive oil. To get the best result, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil and the juice of 1/3 lemon in a glass and then consume. Number 7. To protect the brain. Olive oil helps our brain, which needs a lot of oxygen, nearly 20% of all intake, and suffers from free radicals. It also prevents Alzheimer's and mental decline, boosts memory, and decreases the risk of depression. Number 8. To improve the immune system. The fatty acids in olive oil play a very important part in different immune functions, the regulation and support of the immune system, and even the treatment of autoimmune disease are among them. Number 9. To reduce inflammation. Olive oil works like ibuprofen to reduce inflammation in the body. Research has shown that 3.4 tablespoons of olive oil act as effectively as 10% of an ibuprofen dosage, but it's a more natural treatment. Number 10. To increase cup size. Olive oil is useful if you want to enlarge the size of your chest and make them firmer. But you need to do it right. Massage your chest area in a circular motion for 10 to 15 minutes, starting from the outside of your chest and moving to the inside. The flow of blood will accelerate and your chest muscle will grow and acquire elasticity in just 30 days. Do you consume olive oil every morning? Tell us about your experience in the comment section below.